Keep these 6 laws of money and money will never be your problem again. 1. The law of exchange. Learn to exchange your money for skills. Exchange your money for knowledge. People with great skills end up making more money for themselves. You can also exchange your money for goods. Sell those goods for higher income. In other words, you can invest your money in business. 2. The law of saving. Financial freedom involves the one that learn to save because saving money helps you to reinvest the money and make more money. Secondly, when you save money, you will have money to solve issues when they come. We are on earth not in heaven, so issues that need money will come one day. Saves 1/10 or more of your income. 3. The law of the internet. The world is a global village with the help of the internet. Learn internet business. Blogging, social media marketing, graphic designing, web designing, or any internet business that you know is legal and people are making money out of it. There are a lot of people making millions every year from internet. 4. The law of time. Money waits for nobody, and so also time. If there are anything you ever want to do in order to better your life, the time is now. Don't wait for tomorrow because there is another tomorrow when tomorrow comes. Ohajiekchuku. The most successful people in the world are those that take the longest period of time into consideration. The law of time says is now or never. 5. The law of land. Successful people invest in real estate. Real estate doubles your money in just few years with less risk. The percentage of losing your money in real estate is just 10%. It's almost a risk-free investment. Except there is natural disaster, that is when you stand a chance in losing your money. The future earning power of that specific piece of property you invested is very high. 6. The law of prayer. Everybody believes in one thing or the other. No matter your religion, always pray to your God more blessings. If you believe there is a supreme God, then you must believe the supreme God can make you rich through the things you do. Whatever you truly believe, with feeling, becomes to reality. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel for more quality videos like this. Share and comment below.